Welcome back to the channel, where machinery meets precision and power. Today, we're bringing you an in-depth look at a true giant in the farming world, the John Deere 16-row folding head C16F. This isn't just any equipment, it's a masterpiece built for productivity, durability, and efficiency in modern agriculture. Whether you're a farmer, machinery enthusiast, or just love to see powerful machines in action, you're going to want to watch this full video. We begin with the exterior. The C16F stands tall with its solid frame, painted in that iconic John Deere green with a bold yellow logo. The foldable design is one of its best features, allowing easy transportation between fields. When extended, it covers 16 rows with flawless spacing and alignment, giving you maximum coverage with minimal time wasted. The craftsmanship in its hydraulic folding mechanism is top-tier, smooth, stable, and easy to operate even in rough terrains. As we move closer, the attention to detail is apparent. The chopping blades are sharp and durable, ready to handle corn stalks, grass, and other heavy field crops without missing a beat. The poly snouts are lightweight yet tough, and the row units are designed to stay close to the ground, maximizing yield collection. You can also see how easy the maintenance points are to access, which is great news for long-term owners. Now, step inside the operator's area, and you'll see where comfort meets control. The interface in the combine cab is designed to pair seamlessly with the C16F. The screen shows every real-time function, from row tracking to header height and ground contouring. You can sit back in that air-conditioned cabin with panoramic visibility and take full command without strain. Every control is within reach, and the machine responds instantly to even the smallest inputs. On the performance side, this folding head really shines. It delivers clean and even cuts, even when operating at high speeds. The dual auger system and large opening feed crops directly into the combine without clogging. The flexing ability along the width of the machine allows it to handle uneven terrain, while maintaining consistent harvesting height across all rows. Even in wet conditions or sloped fields, the C16F performs with confidence. It's built not just for one harvest season, but many. And yes, let's talk numbers. Depending on your configuration and location, the John Deere C16F price can range anywhere from $90,000 to $130,000. It's an investment, but one that pays for itself in reduced downtime, faster harvests, and fewer losses. For serious growers, the value is unbeatable. This machine isn't just a tool, it's a game-changer in how modern harvesting is done. If you're looking to upgrade your fleet, or just want to see what real power looks like in the field, the C16F is worth every second of your attention. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. More powerful machinery, real-world testing,